Dying for, demystified. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll dive into a popular English phrase that you might have heard or come across, dying for. If you've ever wondered about its meaning and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. The phrase, dying for, can be interpreted in two ways, literal and figurative. Literal meaning, in its most direct sense, dying for, can mean to actually lose one's life for something or someone. For example, the brave soldiers were dying for their country. Figurative meaning, more commonly, it is used in a figurative or exaggerated sense to express a strong desire or craving for something. Examples: I'm dying for a cup of coffee right now. She's dying for the chance to meet her favorite actor. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Let's explore some. Food and drink. After that long hike, I'm dying for some water. Opportunities or experiences. I'm dying for a vacation after working so hard all year. To know something. Sometimes it's used to express a strong curiosity. I'm dying to know what he said to her. Physical needs. I'm dying for a nap. When using dying for, it's crucial to ensure the context makes sense. Here are some pitfalls to avoid. 1. Overuse. While it's a colorful expression, using it too often can make it lose its impact. 2. Wrong context. Saying something like, I'm dying for a pen, might sound odd unless there's a strong reason you need it. 3. Literal versus figurative confusion. Be cautious of situations where the phrase might be misunderstood in its literal sense, especially in serious or sensitive contexts. Dying for is a versatile and expressive phrase in the English language that depicts a strong desire for something. By understanding its nuances and using it appropriately, you can enrich your English conversations. We hope this video shed some light on its proper usage. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English.